Hi, in this video I will show you how you can easily convert your Word documents to PDF. For that, open your Word document. For example, this is my Word document, so I will open it. And then you have to go to File, click on Save As. Don't click on Save, you have to click on Save As. So click Save As and then choose the location where you want to save the PDF file. So I will choose Browse, and this is the location where I want to save the file. And here you can see the type. So it's doc, but I want to save it in PDF. So I will click here and select this .pdf format, and then I will click save. Once it is saved, then you can go back and this is the file. So yeah, and this is how you can convert your Word documents to PDF easily in one click.